Hey guys, for English this week, we are going to be doing a revision assistant. Yay! So go ahead and log into revisionassistant.com, and then once you are there, you can use your Google account to sign in. Once you are logged in, you're going to find the prompt, The Fun They Had. Okay? So you can click on that, and the prompt is this. Okay? So in Isaac Asimov's short story, The Fun They Had, Tommy and Margie discover a book during a time when technology has made real books obsolete, means real books are no longer used. While reading, Margie imagines what life was like during the time that books were actually used. Read the following story, The Fun They Had. Then imagine that instead of finding a book, Margie and Tommy found a different object that was new to them. Read a new version of the story that examines this new object and how the kids respond to it. When writing, pay special attention to word choice, tone, pacing, and descriptions that you use to develop the events and the characters of your story. Okay, so you guys are going to scroll down and read this story called The Fun They Had. All right. While you are reading, I want you to pay attention to the list they have up here, okay? So you're going to pay attention to word choice, tone, pacing, and descriptions. I want you to take note of how Isaac Asimov, okay, uses his word choice, his tone, the pacing of the story, as well as the descriptions that he uses, both to describe the object as well as the children's response to the object. Okay, so you are going to imagine that Margie and Tommy find a different object that is new to them, that they have not had contact with. While you're reading this, you can use this as a map. You are not going to copy what they say, but you can use this to follow kind of the flow of the story, how it goes, and you'll notice here there's conversation that's happening, and use this as your map to follow about how to write this story. Once you have read it, you can hit start pre-writing, and you can have kind of your intro to the story, how it's beginning, your middle, and how it ends. Okay, this is a story, so you don't need to necessarily have like a thesis or an introduction. It's a story that's going to follow a natural progression of, stuff happening. Okay, so once you've done your pre-writing, you can send it down to your working space. You don't have to do your pre-writing. If you want to start here on just start writing your essay down here, you can. Remember, when you are editing your work, edit here in the writing space. Once you've used your pre-writing and you've sent it to your writing space, don't come back up here and edit and send again, because then it makes double copies. So edit down here in your writing space. You can do as many signal checks as you want. You have 3 proofreads. This is looking at grammar and spelling and whatnot. Okay. If you have any questions, let us know.